sing. Greetings, recruits. Welcome to my home, I am Gru, master villain, scourge of humanity. So, you want to be a minion. Your training will begin soon, but be warned, danger lurks at every turn. Agnes, please. Dad is trying to be evil.
What are you doing?
I am trying.
Who's the cutest puppy in the world?
Now, where was I? Margot!
What? There was a smudge.
I am evil clown. Fear my red nose.
That's enough! Girls, would you please just let me do this?
Oh, we were just trying to keep things interesting. Sheesh.
Okay, just be still and don't say any more words. These are my daughters. Say hello briefly.
Hello out there. What's up? Greetings from the television.
Anyway, let's begin. We're going to start with a written exam.
Okay.
The test should take no longer than 3 hours. You will see none of the park.
We're not doing the written exam, remember?
What, we're not? Alright, we teach that. Alright, here's what you can expect life to be like once you're a minion. I must warn you, it's not always this easy. You'll spend a lot of time in the lab doing dangerous science experiments. And sometimes you'll have to risk your lives facing down ferocious enemies. Well, that was not the best example. Moving on. As part of your assignment, you may need to go deep undercover. Visit exotic locations and be equipped with the latest supervillain tools in the trade. We'll also teach you new languages, like this guy. He's speaking in the international language of farts. You'll learn useful survival techniques, like don't sleep in the snow. You'll be my official food tester to ensure that what I eat isn't too spicy or too poison. You will be a part of history. You'll meet important people in faraway lands that you probably will never be allowed to go to again. But there are plenty of bonuses like unpaid vacations. And the vehicles, so cool and so unsafe. And the biggest bonus of all, working alongside the greatest villain in the world. You know I meant me, right? Not sure if that was obvious. Alright. If you are ready to be a minion, welcome to the family! So, do what I say, heed my words, or pay the price!
And have fun.
It's gonna be great.
Come on, smile, Gru.
I hate smiling.
This is a motion simulator involving sudden and extreme movement. Expectant mothers and individuals with heart, back, or neck conditions, abnormal blood pressure, or those prone to motion sickness or dizziness are advised not to ride this attraction. For your safety, please remain seated, hold on to the lap restraint, and keep your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. Please supervise children to ensure everyone has their own seat. Children may not sit on laps. Secure all loose items. Finally, the use of still or video cameras is not permitted.
Let's see how well you take direction. Come meet me in the minionization prep room so we can all get started. Please stay in your row and move forward, filling in all the available space in front of you. Don't delay. This is going to be really fun. For me, you will all be great minions, I can tell. You want to know who is my favorite minion? You are. Well, you soon will be. So, you're all here because you want to work for me. I usually take this time to interview new recruits one at a time, but I'm working on something really big today. So I'm going to have to do this kind of quick.
Hello, I'm Gru. What's your name? Where are you from? Wow, that might be impressive. Question. And thank you. Anywho, one moment. This is good. But tell Nefario, add more dynamite. I want a bigger boom. You didn't hear that. Anyway, yes, you will be turned into minions. Months ago, my chief scientist, Dr. Nefario, created a device that could turn everyday boring civilians like you into minions. That's worse there were a few minor snags. And a few major snags. Although I kind of like that guy. And that guy. Oh, I love that guy. That guy really knows how to party. Don't worry, we have finally worked out all of the kinks, as far as you know, and now you too can become a minion. Wow, look at that! I know, right? It's pretty spectacular. This one. Okay, before we begin your training, we need to do a routine body scan. Can't have you bringing any human germs into the lab. It's nothing serious. Just some high-density lasers. They're very, very powerful. It will not hurt me a bit. Uh-oh, we have a problem. It appears that some of you have not showered in like a week. Gross! Not naming names. But it's those guys! Lucky for you, I'm in a bit of a time crunch and I'm feeling generous. But you better shower when you get back to your hotel. And don't go right to the pool. As for the rest of you, if anyone's thinking of backing out, I warn you, I will hit you with my fart gun. Oh yes, I'm packing Pistola de Peo. So what will it be, minions or farts?
Minions or farts?
Ignore them. Not now!
Don't be scared, Gru. He's just a big, bald teddy bear.
Yeah, and no way will we shoot you with a fart gun.
Oh, no?
Hey, it smells like banana.
Banana?
Gru, I was wondering if I could give you something.
Oh, sure, sweetie, but wait, I'm really behind schedule, and I have to train these guys.
Oh, can we help?
What?
Yeah, we can train them. Come on.
Let me know. I do not think so. No, it's very technical.
Come on. We've seen you do it hundreds of times. Yeah, it's not like it's rocket science or even fourth grade science. Yeah, a trained monkey could do it.
All right. Okay, future minions, the girls are going to handle your training.
You people are so doomed.
Oh, don't listen to her. Although she's usually right. Good luck, everyone.
But Gru, wait.
He's gone, Agnes.
It's the anniversary of the day he adopted us.
Do you think he forgot? Of course not. It'll be okay, Agnes. Come on. We have a job to do. Let's do this! Okay, everybody. See you in the lab. This is gonna be good. Ready? Great. Prepare to be minionized. Zach and Kevin. Wow, it worked.
Aw, they're so cute.
Okay, let's begin your training. You are now in the Minion training room.
for our minions, what you did here in Pause Meeting, make room for the next group. So make sure we gather all of our belongings, take it out to your left. The Minions Dance Party through Universal Studios does close at 7 o'clock tonight. So enjoy the rest of your time at the party.